So I made this game on my stream called the Culture Clash, which is pretty much like a lottery ticket system. When a user redeems it, they get 5 numbers they can choose from, anywhere from 1 to 25, revealing a prize underneath. As long as the prizes match up with one another, that is what they will win. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I set it up in Photoshop and OBS and what I did to my Stream Deck in order for this all to come together. So let's go get started. So I have this set up as a Twitch channel point redemption. So when a user wants to play the game, they just go down to my channel points, click on Culture Clash, and there's a brief description of what this game is and how you play it. It just says the user must pick 5 numbers between 1 and 25, match a winning combo, and claim that prize. So they'll just click on Redeem.
Culture Clash!
And it will play an audio cue that I made, also tagging that user in chat saying they want to play the game. So when that happens, I'll just go over to OBS and click on, or switch scenes to the Culture Clash scene. And as you can see, I photoshopped a template of like a scratch-off ticket. And in the middle of the screen is a cartoon character. His name is Lil Woozy. It's just a little inside joke on my stream. If you reveal him, you get 2 extra picks. So your objective is to match up winning prizes. As long as the prizes match up with one another, that is what you win. So you get 5 picks. So on my Stream Deck, I have it set up to for a source visibility. There's numbers 1 through 25. I'll show you later on in the video. But when a user picks a number, I just click that number on the Stream Deck, and it will reveal that prize underneath. So I just chose 5 random numbers. So as you can see, I got the Lil Woozy face, which is 2 extra picks. So let's do 15 and 6. So there is no doubles, so whoever redeemed this did not win a single thing. So I'm going to hide those number tiles. And as you can see, there are multiple prizes that are the same. So as long as the user picks those numbers that reveal the same prize, that is what they will win. So I have it set up so after the game ends, I will switch out a card, and it will switch all the it will randomize all the prizes, so they can't memorize where the prize is and what number that good prize is under. So when the game ends, I'll just switch out the cards. I got multiple of them, so they don't know what card they are getting and where the prize is. So in order to set this up in Photoshop, let me switch scenes there. I just made a blank little template, and I called it, of course, Culture Clash. And what I did was those black numbers right there, the black and yellow numbers, I have those all as individual PNG files. I exported them as PNG files so I can hide them. And I exported it as a 1920 by 1080p resolution. So all I really had to do was export the card template itself without the numbers, and then throw all those numbers into OBS. And since it's saved as a 1920 by 1080 resolution, same as a Twitch stream, it will automatically align those numbers up over top of this template. So I just went into my Stream Deck, and where's this at? And I set it up as a source visibility. Let me get rid of those numbers right there real quick. So I imported the numbers into Stream Deck after making a source visibility, because on OBS there are the number tiles 1 through 25, and I just did the source, tile 1, tile 2, and tile 3, so on and so forth. So when I click that button on my Stream Deck, it will change it to a green number. So I know that source is active, and that's the number they pick. So I just look down at my Stream Deck. I'll see that green number. When I need to like refresh the page, I'll just click that number again, and it will put that number back up on the board for the Culture Clash game and get ready for the next round for whenever somebody redeems it. So that's pretty much all that is. If I didn't go into detail further enough, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I'm always checking out my YouTube comments, see if people need help on my Mix It Up tutorials and whatnot. So if you think this was a cool little idea for viewers to play on a stream, let me know. I think it's a neat little game. I never saw anybody do this before. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and have a great day.